Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super healthy, nutrient rich, oil free green chutney recipe with avocado. Perfect for sandwiches or as a filling for rotis. It's super easy to make and full of natural healthy fats. And a special secret ingredient helps to make it super tasty. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm using 2 avocados. I get avocados locally when they are in season, and I know some of you think that avocados are not grown locally and it is a costly exotic fruit. So the first time I saw avocado was some 25 years back. We were traveling from Theni to Bodinaikanur and my husband showed these fruits to me as butterfruit. And I remember him telling me that it is full of natural healthy fat and it's very good for our body, etc. Many years later, while living in Coorg, when avocados were in season, we used to enjoy them in smoothies, shakes, salads, chutneys, or simply have them with a pinch of salt. And now we get them from Wayanad, a beautiful hill station in Kerala, just 2 hours away from the place I live in. It was first cultivated in Kerala at the Regional Agriculture Research Station at Ampalavayal, Wayanad. It's one of my favorite places to shop organic food products, and I have also shared a video on myself shopping at the sales counter of the Regional Agriculture Research Station at Ampalavayal. Links will be updated below this video so that you can check it out. Also, avocado is more popularly known as butterfruit in this part of the world. So do ask for butterfruit if you're visiting Wayanad, Coorg or hill stations of Tamil Nadu. So in this recipe, I'm using 2 avocados and a raw mango. The raw mango is the secret ingredient which takes this chutney to the next level. Raw mangoes are also in season right now. So I have scooped out the butterfruit and sliced the raw mangoes and added them into my blender. Add in 5 to 6 green chilies or as per your taste. 6 shallots for that extra iron and folate, 6 garlic cloves, juice of 1 lemon, 2 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed, half teaspoon whole black peppercorns, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, 3 tablespoon apple cider vinegar or homemade coconut vinegar. Make sure you're using the apple cider vinegar which has the mother. The mother is actually the healthy gut-friendly bacteria. Add in a handful of mint leaves and coriander leaves and blend all this really well. Transfer this oil-free healthy green chutney into an airtight glass container and store it in the fridge. You can enjoy it as a dip for salads or as a chutney for sandwiches or as a spread for roti. So guys, do try this healthy, nutrient-dense and oil-free avocado green chutney the next time you get some avocados and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.